Alright, here's another Brian review on the mCX, the Blade mCX from horizonhobby.com. Alright, what we're going to be focusing on is this guy right here, this bottom gear, and underneath there's two screws that you need to loosen so that you can replace this bar here. You can see that or not? Let's see. Yeah, here's my mouse. So this bar here, they break up here, and also your fly bar breaks all the time. And but these here, they crack, and the only way you can really do anything about it is if you replace it. And in order to replace it, you have to go down here to this. Where is it? Let's scroll down a little more. To this inner shaft here, or inner gear, excuse me, and it's the bottom one, and underneath of it, it has two screws that are very small, and if one comes out, it's very hard to get it back in. So what I did was I put a piece of masking tape and folded it around so that it was sticky on both sides. Underneath there, put the screw on it and push the screw towards the hole, and then started screwing it in, and it worked fantastic. I hope you guys learned. Okay, I got it in there. Let's take that tape out.